In this video, we are going to discuss about the eBGP and IPv4 here. So what is eBGP? eBGP is External Border Gateway Protocol here. So if you see, the BGP uses two primary modes of information exchange such as external BGP and internal BGP to communicate external and internal peers respectively. So BGP is Border Gateway Protocol. So eBGP stands for External Border Gateway Protocol here. So if you see, this protocol used to transport information to the other BGP enabled system in the different autonomous system. So here AS is autonomous system, so that this protocol is used to transport information to the other BGP protocol enabled system in a different autonomous system here. So this eBGP will work opposite to the iBGP. So here in the below sections you can clearly get an idea of what is eBGP, byte and also autonomous system number and private autonomous system number. So peer autonomous system establishes links via external process called peer BGP session. So here all route advertisements between an external peer takes place by the eBGP mode of the information exchange, that means external border gateway protocol, and also to propagate the route through an AS and advertises it to the internal peers, that means the iBGP, so which is opposite of the eBGP. So to advertise a route to different peers autonomous system, again BGP uses the eBGP to connect to the external border gateway of the other enabled system here. The BGP will work in collaboration with the iBGP to transfer the information or the data from the external internet or autonomous system, as well as vice versa also works here. So the eBGP multi-hop is the option which is used to peer the information with the external neighbors, and because of this you see there are many paths between the eBGP peers. You can clearly see and take advantages of that information. So by default the BGP allows the system to use the eBGP neighbor, so that the relationship of the peers residing on directly connected links will work good, and also which is one by default for the eBGP peers. So this is about the exterior border gateway protocol in the IPv4 version.